Raka? Kata! Na! Na! Ka! Nakibu! Ka! Na! Nak! Nak! Okay, wait. So do you know what we're gonna do? Yes. We're gonna break into someone's house. And then we're gonna... They killed someone we used to have. Chuck, right? Yeah, Chuck. And now we're gonna get revenge on them. Yeah. We should destroy the house. Yeah. Also, we should destroy the newspaper. What? That's where we live. Oh, hold on. Okay, I guess. So all we could just do is just wait here for the next morning till he's sleeping? Sure, I guess. Okay, I guess. The next morning. What day is it today? It's the next morning. Oh, well, it's time to wake up. Hopefully he's asleep so we can break in. I think he's asleep. How? I sleepwalked like yesterday. Really? Yeah. Hold on, watch the flashback. 5 a.m. in the morning, or 6 a.m., 6:50. Well, I think he's still asleep. I'm just gonna tell. I'm just gonna ask Bomb. He's asleep. Bomb! He just bomb! Wait, till that really happened? Yep, that really happened. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go check again. Okay. Woo! Watch out, you're making those noises. I think he's still asleep. Oh, okay. Okay, now trying to break in. Okay, let's go. Okay. Come on. Wait, something happened? Did I hear a voice? Never mind, just break in. Okay. Well, this took us a long time. Yeah. Well, at least I don't know what to do now. Me neither. We forgot to break in the house. I think he's outside. How do you know? Because new Friday Night Pumpkin video coming tomorrow. Part 6 is Roblox. Bye-bye. Or the plushies. Comment down below which one do you want it to be. Bye-bye.